Hey YouTube, this old guy doing things here again. Well, I'm not a fan of box opening exercises. I've got this micro inverter, grid-tied inverter that came in the mail yesterday. There's a couple of things about it that might be of some interest to you. I know they're very common, a lot of videos, but I thought I'd just spend a couple of minutes, something real short, to show you a couple of things that I found out about this one. I got it on Amazon, and I got it from a company called Solar Epic, and the unit is got input of 22 to 60 volts DC and output from 90 to 140 volt AC. And the reason I needed these particular voltages is because I've got a Styon solar panel that has 54 volts DC, and it is 110 watts. And I've got access to a couple more of them that I might get, and I could parallel them together, and this device could operate them. Just from the standpoint of Chinese goods coming to us and the way they're typically packaged, I wanted to show you that this one came in a very strong cardboard box, external. It had a large, a good internal box inside that box. And inside the main packing box, it had styrofoam ends on it to keep it from rattling around. It had a shrink-wrapped, sealed baggie in order to keep the moisture out. And of course the typical cable. And it had a couple of other interesting things here that I hadn't seen before. They may be common today. This plugs into the back of it, and you can terminate your wires in it, and it's a quick disconnect. So that's pretty interesting. And of course it had the usual silica gel, throw away and do not eat. So that was important. A couple of things I noticed about this unit, and I haven't tried it yet, so I don't know really what the performance is going to be, but it is well built compared to the other ones that I've had. The heat sink portion of it, the case on it, it all is appears to be pretty nice, and it is it's just very sturdy. It's very sturdily built compared to the other ones, so that was pretty nice. And the manual that came with it is actually a glossy manual, and it is, oh, I don't know, 15 pages long maybe. Glossy manual. It describes all of the different lights on it, what the lights mean, has troubleshooting guide in it, warranty information. So it's just a real step up in terms of most of the stuff that I've personally gotten from the Chinese group. So I think they're making some improvements. A couple of things I wanted to point out to you in the manual, and this is really the most important thing I wanted to mention to you. Bear with me here a minute while I get to the page. One of them is they still need to get some technical support writers to give them a hand with some of this language, because this is just one of the items, but I thought it was kind of humorous. It says, this is in the troubleshooting guide, it says, check if fuses of DC side are fusing or not. So they still need to do a little work in getting some technical writers involved in it. Now this is the very most important part of it. And you won't be able to see this, but I don't think you're going to be able to see it, but I'm going to read it to you. It's regarding the warranty. The warranty period on this unit is 15 years. It has 1 year parts, labor, and shipping, and 14 years of additional warranty where we have to pay the shipping. Now, not knowing this, when I got this unit, there was also an ability on Amazon, and it was a sidebar in the ordering area, where you could get 4 additional years warranty from another company, electronics company, after the labor warranty has run out. So if you add the 15 years of warranty, which includes labor, to the 4 years additional warranty, you get 19 years worth of warranty on this unit. And the unit itself cost, I think it was either $90 or $99, and the warranty was 14 something with tax. So so anyway, the prior units that I've had, I had for about 4 years, and I had to replace the MOSFET in it one time, and I didn't even know what a MOSFET was, but the YouTube folks helped me out with that and walked me through it, because it's pretty common failure. And one of the internal fuses, and I had to refuse it internally. So anyway, this line of products with these extended warranties and this warranty capability seemed like it would be worthwhile to mention. So if you haven't checked these out, or if you're in the market for one of these, I seriously doubt that the quality of these units would enable them to last 15 to 19 years. I actually kind of doubt whether the companies will be in business 15 to 19 years from now, but it is kind of nice to have. And let me just walk over now and just kind of show you what I've got running over here. This is the one I've had for about 4 years. Nothing magic about it. It's got a grape solar panel, 160 watts, 22 watts output DC, and it goes into a 300 watt little grid tie inverter, and it's putting out on this cloudy day about 28 watts, which isn't much. And my experience has been with this unit is, if you run these grid tie units at half their rated capacity, and then you will get about half of the capacity of the solar panel. So during a peak period, nice sun, this puts out about 85 or 90 watts max, and that's about all you can expect to get out of these. So in terms of return on investment, I don't think there's much, but my wife, since I don't go out to bars and drinking, and I don't have any other real expensive hobbies, she entertains me, or lets me go ahead and buy this kind of stuff to entertain myself. I hope this warranty information might have been of some value to you, and thank you for taking a look. Bye.